Hello, everyone. My name is Vivek Iyer. I am a licensed immigration advisor. Our company's name is Kiwi Fern Immigration, and we are based in Wellington, in New Zealand. I started using Fuzen quite recently, and I'm very happy with the way Fusion has been working for us. There were a couple of reasons why we were in the market looking for a platform that could not only help us and just offer the features that we required, but was also cost effective. So it all started with using multiple CRMs, subscription based, offering features that we really did not require. We were only using a few features, and for us, it's very important as a immigration advisory firm to be in touch with our clients, and most importantly, data security is key for us. And one way of keeping in touch with our clients was to constantly wish them on their birthdays, remind them on their visa issues, remind them about different alerts depending on the timelines. And so when we looked at different platforms, there were platforms that offered a lot of services, but some of them were just not for us, and we just needed something very specific. I'm not a developer, and I want to stick to my area of expertise. So when I was researching on Google, I came across a lot of no-code platforms. But again, all the platforms required a bit of technical know-how. And then I saw a video by the Fusion team on YouTube. I contacted Pushka, super friendly, super helpful. We fixed a time. We went through, the requirements. Then I connected with his team. So Girish in particular, he helped us a lot defining the workflow. Initially, I tried it on my own because you can just log in and create your own workflow, and you could create your own CRM. But again, the features of the CRM, we did not want like all the features. It's not of use to us, so we only wanted like email templates and how to get the inquiries, how to get the clients, and how to have a board to see how the clients are moving through the cycle. And so once the platform was ready to use, we tested it quickly. The payment terms were very flexible. I must say that you're not hooked onto it on a subscription-based model. So that was really useful and helpful. It still is. And so once we tested the platform, it worked beautifully synced with our email, and all our clients are very happy. Clients have started to receive emails again, and they're really appreciative of the fact. So for a small business like us, it's really important to keep in touch with clients. Like I said earlier, I am pretty sure that there are so many small businesses out there that could just do with one or two features, but can't find a CRM or can't find a system that would allow them to just do that much, and not like a whole gamut of things. So I'd highly recommend Fusion if you are a small business or a mid-sized business and are looking for something very specific. So do get in touch with Pushkar and Girish and the team. Thank you.